Let's get to the trading edge. Retail traders are rising up. These are everyday Americans, such as millennials, who jumped into the market with strategies they followed on the Reddit website. Well, the latest numbers show retail traders are aggressively gravitating towards options trading. Joining us now is Rob Hocking. He's a head of derivative strategy at CBOE Global Markets. Good to have you here, Rob. And last Monday, CBOE launched Nanos, an easier and less expensive form of options trading on the S&P. What do we need to know about Nanos?
Yeah, of course. So, first off, thanks for having me today. Excited to be here. Yeah, we were very excited about the launch this past Monday, a week ago. And so Nanos are a first of its kind option. And as you said, designed specifically for retail traders, offering them a simple, easy, and affordable way to participate in the options market. So what does that mean? They have a 1 multiplier, whereas historically options have always carried a 100 multiplier. And so that means the price you see on the screen is really the price you transact at. Historically, with options being attached to basically 100 of the underlying shares, you would have to look at a price you were trading and multiply that by 100 for your total cost of trade. Whereas with Nanos, it's much simpler. You see $5 on the screen. That's what your 1 lot trade will cost you is a total of $5, plus applicable, fees and commissions from whatever platform you decide to use. But so we think this, it'll make, identifying trades and sizing trades simple and easier for investors. We expect the average cost of an at-the-money Nano option to be around, call it $5. And we're also just offering a handful of contracts, so investors won't be overwhelmed with really too many choices. So that means, short-term expirations, so investors won't have to wait long to see results, and they'll be able to, reposition and retrade more frequently. And then, another great part of the contract is that Nanos are cash settled. So investors will never have to worry about closing out of an underlying asset position if their options were to expire in the money. And so we're launching Nanos as options based on the S&P 500 index to start. And we think this will provide, retail investors an opportunity to gain exposure to the broad-based U.S. market in a really efficient way for the first time.
Why launch this product now?
Really, I mean, it's because of the massive increase in retail investing. And so I think as many have talked about, retail trading has more than quadrupled over the last 5 years. But yet much of this growth has come from smaller account sizes, making use of index options potentially unattractive or even impossible. So based on multiple factors, we felt smaller, simple, more affordable product made sense at this time.
What are the steps someone can take to trade Nanos?
To be honest, we're excited about getting these off the ground. So we launched on Monday. There's always a ramp up to any new product. We have to, gain adoption and really work on education. So on that front, along with our launch on Monday, we also launched a new Options Institute website. And on that, we're really focused on offering new materials that are targeted to retail investors. So more on-demand content, videos, articles, things that can really, aid in the user experience and learning process for new users to options. And then in addition, one program that I'm really excited about that we'll be launching is called our Office Hours program, where on our website you can sign up to actually talk live with one of our adjunct faculty members of the Options Institute, because we feel, when you're getting used to something new and maybe you're a little nervous about the process and it's a learning process for you, that really having a direct touch point with somebody is critical to help them, they can help walk you through the process.
Thank you, Rob, for coming on our show, and please keep us posted.
Angie, it was great to be here. Thanks for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.